Imagine a life where the what ifs are replaced with I cans. A life not just lived, but chosen. Picture yourself waking up every day, not to the frantic alarm clock of financial anxiety, but to the gentle sunrise of certainty. That's the feeling of total financial self-awareness, the confidence that comes from knowing exactly where you stand, where you're going, and that you are the one holding the steering wheel. For too long, we've treated our finances like a foggy destination on a broken map. But that ends today. Today, we embrace the mantra, good, better, best. Never let it rest. Till your good is better and your better is best. Good, better, best. Never let it rest. Till your good is better and your better is best. That isn't just a catchy rhyme. It's a blueprint for your financial evolution. Let's stop settling for good enough and start demanding the best life you deserve. The transformation from simply earning to truly thriving is a journey of action. Here are 5 actionable steps you can start taking right now to elevate your financial self-awareness and put you firmly on the path to your best. You can't navigate a ship without a compass. The first step is to simply see your starting point, no judgment. This means getting real about your net worth. Tally up everything you own, assets, and subtract everything you owe, liabilities. Actionable step: create a simple spreadsheet. In one column, list your savings, investments, and home equity. In the next, list your credit card debt, loans, and mortgage. Calculate the difference. Personal example. I remember my first time doing this after college. My net worth was a scary negative number. I felt a sting of shame, but that sting was the exact fuel I needed. Seeing that hard number, $7,000, changed everything. It wasn't just debt, it was a target to conquer. Most people think they know where their money goes until they check the receipts. Awareness is the greatest budget tool. For 1 month, you aren't going to change your spending. You are simply going to observe it. Actionable step: use an app, a notebook, or a bank syncing tool to categorize every single dollar that leaves your account for 30 days. Personal example. A friend of mine swore he didn't spend much on food. After tracking, he realized he was spending $700 a month on takeout and quick-stop coffees. That awareness immediately gave him the power to cut back and redirect that $700, which over a year is $8,400, right into his investment account. Awareness creates immediate savings. A budget isn't a restrictive cage, it's a freedom map. Now that you know where your money went, step 2, it's time to tell your money where to go. Your budget should reflect your values. If freedom is your value, then a category for savings or investment should be prioritized. Actionable step: adopt a system like the 50-30-20 rule, 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings debt. Make sure that 20% is non-negotiable and is directed towards a future goal. Personal example: instead of just saying, "I'll save what's left," I started paying my future self first. I set up an automated transfer for my retirement account to pull money the day after my paycheck hits. I don't wait until the end of the month to see what's left. By paying myself first, I guarantee my best future gets funded every single time. You can't achieve your best while an unnecessary tax is eating your progress. High-interest debt, like credit card balances, is a guaranteed way to lose the financial game. Actionable step: list your debts from the highest interest rate to the lowest. Focus all extra payments on the debt with the highest rate first. This is known as the Debt Avalanche method, and it's the most mathematically efficient way to save money and pay off debt fast. Personal example. When I was getting out of debt, I had a balance with a ridiculous 24% APR. I focused so intently on crushing that one, I put my side hustle earnings, my bonus, and even a tax refund toward it. Getting rid of that single high-rate debt was an incredible psychological win. It freed up a huge chunk of my monthly payment to roll into the next debt. That momentum is unstoppable. You've done the hard work of gaining awareness. Now, make your financial health effortless. The best version of your finances is the one that runs on autopilot, giving you time back to focus on your career, family, and passion. Actionable step: automate everything: savings, investments, bill payments, and debt payments. Then, start looking for ways to increase your income. Take that certification, ask for the raise, or start that side project. Personal example: I used to manually transfer money to my investment account. Some months I'd forget, some months I'd only put in a little. Once I automated a bi-weekly investment, I was consistently contributing more, and I stopped stressing about when to invest. It simply happened. That freed up mental space to focus on landing my next big client, which helped me double my income in 2 years. You are not defined by your past financial mistakes. You are defined by the action you take today. Good is recognizing you have debt. Better is creating a plan to pay it off. Best is executing that plan, crushing that debt, and building wealth on autopilot. Embrace the journey. Start with step 1. Don't let it rest. Your best life is waiting for you.